My favorite part here at the Hub is that it's focused for creative people.
Is the community itself.
It's the connections that we got from here.
People here are very lovely.
We have really good resources. You're connected to many different places, making spaces.
I love the sort of open area at the entrance where there's the possibility to connect and network and also have a DJ set.
We have several spaces available here. We have the front gallery and the back gallery. Both those spaces can be used by the general public, and those spaces are also available for hire, for exhibitions, for workshops. We have a small meeting room, a lecture theatre and a training lab. It's also used for workshops, training sessions. It's a good breakout space.
So I've used the Hub in different ways to run workshops with local kids during half term, to run a lecture for UAL students.
There's a fee for using the space, but the fees are graded, so we offer subsidised rates for charity and community.
Having spaces like this available to everyone really makes it more accessible to create more opportunities, create more spaces that are actually open to everyone and that make the space more accessible for the people that are living and breathing and being here and have been here for generations.